chase the dragonfly. They gotta stop by. Cannot chase the dragonfly, but if they stop by, I guess you can film them for a little bit anyway. While you're waiting on a rainbow. He's a biggin'. I'm always also a little hesitant. What are you doing, bro? He was definitely up to something. I think he's landed on another one. Yeah, birds, I hear you. See, there's a good example of weeds kind of growing. Weird. This is the weirdest storm I've ever seen. Like, just, period. 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 Whoa, you're up there now. So what is he exactly doing? Look at this. What is, he's like backwards. I don't even know. Wow, that is a freaking soul creature. Glad to meet you. What are you saying? He flew to the other one, then he came back. Now I don't know where he went because you're so big. But he didn't go far, I can tell that much. Weird. I can't follow you right now if I wanted, but I would like you to follow me if you would. I gotta walk and leave. But let me do an infinity loop and see if that matters. And any two scoop. Wait, you just like tilted today. My infinity loop, and if you want to follow me, you can. I guess so, man. You're only gonna show up in the field if you want to. If you don't want to go magnetize with me, ooh, then I guess I'll see you later. Oh gosh, Lucy, you're terrible. You're so terrible. I swear. Okay. This vacant place. Or it's not vacant now, but not only did they fire her, but she had to move out. Oh boy. Such her highest spot. But I knew that there was a rainbow. But it shouldn't be that direction at all. It should always be opposite the sun. And it's kind of just these same interestingly white out skies. What's going on here? We got a bit of some division. Let me stop for a minute. And I was just thinking that I wouldn't be surprised if the dragonfly showed up by me. That looks like that part there should not be on the ground, but I don't know. And it's not my concern, I'll say so. That's like that. Okay, I was trying to get the halo around the moon. And maybe I can't. I don't know. There definitely is one. And this is not what the sky. Whoa, I mean, that legitimately looks. You can tell me whatever you want, but to me that looks like, whoa, okay, I'll go. Damn, thank you, by the way, Raindrop, because I had that thing right next to me. Oh, yeah. Live while you want to. See, if they maintain the property that